Well, wasn't prepared for that. Even though I'm holding the camera, makes sense. How's it going, everyone? Back for another video. I wish I wasn't just talking, but I'm doing. Everyone knows I've had this for fucking yonks. For Americans, that's a long time. Remember how bad the Ross used to be? Starting to patch it up. Which you would have seen the shorts. The contraption to stop it from catching on fire. Again. Because if you can see, well, come on, focus. Decided it wanted to catch on fire yesterday. Even though I had all this stuff, it's not in the way. I've decided to put like one of the heat right underneath where I'm welding to hopefully get that, to stop that shit from happening. I'm just working out complex shapes and stuff like that. Just got to work out filling in these little spots. This metal's really thin, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. The thought process, me being extremely broke boy, I do as much as I can, and hopefully by the time the rust panels are already filled, all this is filled in, that the panel that goes over the top, that the actual cowl itself can be put in. But yeah, just using pieces of it. So I can do this part to the best I can. At least make it easier for a panel beater to hopefully come in to do the rest, or when I say come in, to do his job if it gets taken there. And then we've got the back panel, which the window's not even sitting in properly. So I'll get them to do the back panel and the front panel if it gets that far. But yeah, little video for you. Background. Garage is a bit better than it has been. But yeah, that's just a little video. Borrowed welder or family member. See how I can go, which I'm not the best at either welding or grinding, so you probably can tell that. This shit. But yes, have a good one, guys. Peace out.